The war of words between two of Hollywood's biggest stars isn't cooling off. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt, who are embroiled in a bitter divorcing custody battle, have been slamming each other publicly over the past 2 days as they air their grievances via the media. After Jolie accused her ex of failing to pay meaningful child support for their 6 children since their September 2016 split, Pitt hit back saying he'd paid over $9 million during the past 18 months. But late Wednesday, the actress, 43, through her attorney, blasted the actor, 54, accusing him of a blatant attempt to obfuscate the truth and distract from the fact that he has not fully met his legal obligations to support the children. In a statement to Us Weekly, Samantha Blay-Dejian of the law offices of Blay & Blay said when Jolie left Pitt, taking their children with her, in September 2016, Pitt opted to keep the family home in Los Angeles that he had kept following his divorce from first wife Jennifer Aniston, including the contents. The statement said Brad was asked to assist in the expense of a new home for Angelina and the children, but instead he loaned Angelina money, for which he is charging her interest on a payment plan. Angelina will of course honor that loan. A loan is not, however, child support, and to represent it as such is misleading and inaccurate. Angelina is asking Brad to pay 50% of the children's expenses. He has not. Angelina has had to shoulder the majority of those without his contribution for the past 2 years. Child support is not optional in California, the statement on Jolie's behalf went on. According to The Richest, Jolie's net worth is $160 million, while Pitt's is $260 million. A source went on to claim to the Us Weekly that Jolie, who is currently filming Maleficent 2 in London, had been forced to return to work making movies in order to cover the costs associated with raising her children. She didn't work for a year and a half to be with the kids and is only working to pay off the house as he kept the family home, the source alleged. Meanwhile, Pitt and his team say the wanted star is simply trying to manipulate media coverage in her favor. In documents obtained by DailyMail.com, lawyers for Pitt state that Jolie's claims that he has withheld child support are calculated to increase the conflict. The filing explained the heartthrob star had loaned his ex $8 million to assist her in purchasing her current residence and also paid over $1.3 million in bills for the benefit of Jolie and the minor children. Friends of Pitt have been rallying to his defense, claiming he is helping to provide for the 6 kids he shares with Jolie Maddox, 16, Pax, 14, Sahara, 13, Shiloh, 12, and 10-year-old twins Vivian and Knox. Pitt forks over hundreds of thousands each month on therapists for his 6 children, travel expenses and round-the-clock bodyguards, sources told Page 6. The divorce case has been held in front of a private judge to keep it out of the press, one friend told the gossip site. But she filed in the Superior Court knowing that it would go public and that he would be made out to be a deadbeat dad, which he isn't. Another source added, Brad has completely lived up to his commitments as far as child support and will continue to do so. Custody issues have proved to be the biggest stumbling block in legally ending the marriage. One such issue is how much time the children get to spend with their father after he was cleared of any wrongdoing in an investigation that followed allegations Pitt had been rough with one of their children on a private plane. But another major reason for the bitter battle is Jolie's resentment towards her third husband, Us Weekly claims. She can't see past her anger for Brad that he is on his way to getting joint custody, said the magazine's source. A source connected to Pitt told TMZ that they believe the Maleficent actress wants to kill any relationship he has with his kids. They also claim that there has been a lot of screaming on Jolie's part, adding, she's fueled with anger and has gotten ridiculously unreasonable. A spokesperson for Jolie told People the actress filed in court hoping simply to lessen the stress before sorting out custody arrangements. They said the filing is to provide closure to the marriage in a way that clears a path toward the next stage of their lives and allows her and Brad to recommit as devoted co-parents to their children. On Tuesday, Pitt was seen attending back-to-back meetings with lawyers in Los Angeles. No doubt it has been a tense few days for the A-lister, as an eyewitness told Us Weekly. He sat in his car for 4 to 5 minutes before getting out once his driver had parked.